face protection.
Right guys, now I'm going to show you how to clean the keyboard. You want to go ahead and first of all unplug your keyboard. Right now you've done that. You want to get your air duster, get between all them keys. You'll see them hairs and crumbs flying out.
What was that?
Yeah, like I just want to get every single bit, every single crack. Yeah, alright, after you've done that. Yeah, I think that's enough now. I think that's enough. After you've done that, just get your microfiber cloth and just give it a general rub. General rub.
Get away from me. Get away from me. Get away from me.
Here's general rub. This is a pretty general rub.
Get
Get really shiny. Real shiny keyboard.
I'm gonna call
Right,
tricks.
and that's pretty much it, guys.
No, actually, I'm calling
See you later.
tricks.
Here you go.